There is nothing more comforting on a Sunday than these lasagna roll-ups. Short rib lasagna roll-ups. That's what we're having for dinner, so let's get started. So in my bowl, I'm gonna start off with the ricotta cheese. I'm just gonna dump it all into a bowl. We're gonna hit it with some salt and pepper, fresh, some dried parsley, mozzarella cheese that I shredded, a nice amount of that, Parmigiano-Reggiano cheese that I am freshly grating. I'm looking for probably about 3/4 to a cup of cheese. Just make it snow like it is outside. And 2 eggs. The eggs just help bind the filling together so it doesn't ooze out of the lasagna noodle. And then we're just gonna mix that up. Our filling is all mixed up. I wanna transfer it to a piping bag, and I'm gonna show you why in a second. So I just put my piping bag inside of a mason jar just to keep it steady. And I'm just gonna fill her on up. Once we have our cheese mixture all in the piping bag, we're just gonna snip the tip off and we're gonna put it aside for a minute. So what I have here is some lasagna noodles that I boiled off until they were about a minute or 2 under al dente because they're gonna finish cooking in the oven. Take the ricotta mixture that we made and I'm just gonna pipe a line down the middle of the lasagna noodle, leaving about 1 inch from the bottom. See how quickly that goes when you put it in a piping bag? If you have the extra filling like I do, you can freeze this. You can make stuffed shells with it, you can make ravioli, you can make manicotti, you can make anything with this filling. So don't throw it away, keep it. So now, if you watched my Sunday sauce video from last week, you saw that I cooked short ribs. With my leftover short ribs, I just took them off the bone, shredded them up, and then I popped them in the freezer. Now this week I can use them for a different application, which is my short rib roll-ups. I'm going to take my shredded short ribs and I'm just going to run it down the middle and put it on top of the cheese mixture. We just roll them up. That simple. Okay guys, see how good those came out? Now we're just going to roll all these up and then I'll show you the next step. Okay, so now that we have all of our roll-ups done, we're going to set them aside for a second and we're going to get our baking dish. I have my Sunday sauce here that's been simmering away on the stove. I just defrosted it because I make a big batch at once with all the meats, and then when I need it, I just defrost it. So I defrosted this, and now I'm just gonna pour a ladleful in the bottom of this dish, spread it all around. Now we're just gonna take our roll-ups and we're gonna put them seam side down in the baking dish. Doesn't it look pretty already? Now we're just gonna top it with a little more of the sauce. Just wanna make sure you cover the tops of all of them. My mozzarella cheese, and I'm just gonna sprinkle it all over the top, nice and liberally. And I'm gonna hit it one more time with the Parmigiano-Reggiano cheese. Okay, so now I'm gonna pop this in a 350-degree oven for about 30 to 45 minutes, or until the cheese is nice and golden and bubbly. Our lasagna roll-ups are done and I can't wait to get this out of the pan and taste it. Look at that cheesy goodness. That is steaming piping hot. Look at that. Oh boy, is that gonna be good? Those short ribs, you can see I'm using a fork. They're just fork tender. There is nothing more comforting on a Sunday than these lasagna roll-ups. Those short ribs just make it 1,000 times better. They're so tender and it's a twist on the traditional lasagna. Guys, you have to try this. It is definitely gonna warm you up on this cold, snowy day. If you want the recipe to my short rib lasagna roll-ups, I'm gonna go finish this now while I watch my son shovel. Bye.